Jack and King's premium snakehead sliced fillet is fresh, tender, convenient, and without fish bones. Thaw the fish fillets, coat them with starch, and mix well. Nothing too complex to handle the cooking. Put the fish slices into the boiling water. Lay them still for 1 minute without stirring, then quickly scoop them up to cool off in the ice water. Mix up an ensouled seasoning sauce, shredded garlic, paprika powder, cumin powder, white sesame seed, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, shredded coriander, shredded chives, millet pepper, 1 spoon of boiled oil, 3 spoons of water, and mix them evenly. Plate the fish slices and drizzle the seasoning sauce on top, and there you go with the cold snakehead sliced fillet. The snakehead sliced fillet is tender with spicy and sour flavor fresh meat in low fat. This ready-to-eat cold dish is super convenient. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime anywhere.